In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a small summer flower arrangement. In 5 minutes, you can use it for your summer party. Hey guys, it's Donald Yim here. I hope you enjoy your summer so far. In the summer times, a lot of people want to have a summer barbecue party in their backyard. So today I want to share with you on how to make a small summer barbecue flower arrangement for your patio table. This arrangement is super simple. If you are following my instruction, it won't take longer than 5 minutes. Also, if you want to know more about summer flower arrangement on my channel, I will make sure to put the links in the description. You can check them out. Okay, without any further delay, let's jump onto the project. In here, we have the Cymbidium Orchid brooms, a container with Oasis floral foam, Oasis U-glue, corsage pins, Cymbidium sticks, few pieces of tea leaves, and some Cymbidia. I will put all the flower list and products link on the description. At first, we will put a U-glue on the tea leaf to make the curved shape. Before you put the U-glue on the leaf, make sure they are clean and dry, otherwise they won't stick together. After that, we will use color corsage pins to hold the leaves in place. If you don't have the color pins, the pearl color is okay too. In this case, the leaves won't drink any water from the oasis. The tea leaves is very long-lasting greens, so it's okay to use it this way. This is probably a one-day event arrangement anyway, so it's all good. And then we will put our favorite flowers, Cymbidium blooms, in it. I got a pretty long stem of Cymbidium blooms in here, but sometimes the Cymbidium orchids come pretty short, so you can always use a water tube to help to put it in. If you are using a water tube, please make sure to get the pointy water tube, otherwise they are going to fall off easily. Next, we will put the Cymbidia in it to give a different texture for this arrangement. I love them. They are pretty interesting flowers to look at. The last ingredient for this arrangement is Cymbidium sticks. I just put 2 pieces in it, but don't underestimate these 2 pieces. They are creating a lot of movement for this arrangement. Okay, it's all done. This arrangement looks awesome. I hope you're enjoying this creative summer floral arrangement. I'm sure you can do it in less than 10 minutes if all the ingredients are ready to go. If you are making any summer floral arrangement, please let us know in the comment section what is your favorite flower for the arrangement. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.